Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make brownies. You need only few ingredients and super easy to make at home. Let's get started. First I am going to melt the butter and chocolate. For that I am taking 110 grams of unsalted butter and 100 grams of chocolate chips. At this moment I would like to know from which city or country you are joining with me, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. After melted, take mixture out from the cooker and let it cool down for 10 minutes. Then add 2 medium-sized eggs and mix them well. Now I am adding 100 grams of brown sugar and 100 grams of white sugar. Then again mix them for a couple of minutes. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix them again. Then I am adding 3 tablespoons of fresh milk and mix them again. After that I am adding 110 grams of all-purpose flour and 20 grams of cocoa powder to the strainer. Here you can add half teaspoon of baking powder if you want, but it is optional. Now strain the flour into the mixture and mix them well for at least 5 minutes. If you still watching the video and if you like my recipe, comment below, as I like this. Now I am taking the baking tray and adding the mixture. Shake it little bit to remove the air bubbles. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes in 180 Celsius degrees. Now bake the brownies for about 20 minutes in 180 Celsius degrees. Check with a bamboo stick. If your brownies are ready, bamboo stick will come out clean, without anything stuck around. See how nice these brownies looks. You can serve them with your favorite ice cream and toppings. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Don't forget to like and share the video, that will help me greatly. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. See you in the next video. Thank you.